In this exercise, you will load and run the bios.js file, a JavaScript file containing a set of commands to create a database named BioData and add a collection named BIOS containing 10 documents with biographical information about 10 individuals. First, let's create a new database in our connection. Right-click your connection and select Add Database. Let's name our database BioData. Once you click OK, you should see the new node in the connection tree. Right-click the database you just created and click Open IntelliShell. On the IntelliShell toolbar, make sure the Retain Previous Result tabs button is deselected and that raw shell mode is enabled. This ensures that results are displayed in a single result tab. Type the following command. You should type the actual folder path where the bios.js file is stored. On this device, the file is saved in My Downloads folder. The load method loads and runs a script file, in this case our bios.js file. Click the play button to execute the entire script. You should receive a message that says True. In the connection tree, right-click the connection and select Refresh All. You should now see the BIOS collection in your database. Let's take a look at the data we just created. Double-click the collection to begin exploring the data. We'll be using this collection in the next exercise.